How to change private Facebook group to public. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change private Facebook group to public. The first thing you want to do is open the Facebook app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. From here, you want to select the option of groups. Then go ahead and select your private Facebook group. Once you have selected it, tap on the manage option. Now over here you will find the option of group settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Now tap on the option of privacy, select that. Once you select it, you will have the option to change it into public from here, so you can simply select public. Remember that if the option of changing it into public is not available over here, it means that you're not able to change the private Facebook group into public. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.